Welcome to 3100 North Treaty Rock Boulevard in Post Falls, Idaho. This home offers comfortable indoor spaces, inviting outdoor living, and a setting that gives you the convenience of an established neighborhood. Inside, the main living area feels warm and practical, with natural light and an easy flow into the kitchen and dining spaces. The bedroom, storage, and bath areas provide comfortable functionality, with room for the next owner to make the home their own. Out back, the fenced yard, patio, and deck areas create space to relax, entertain, garden, play, or simply enjoy the quiet afternoon outside. "3100 North Treaty Rock Boulevard brings together comfort, convenience, and outdoor space in the heart of Post Falls. For more information or a private showing, contact Johnny Janes with Johnny Janes Real Estate and Professional Realty Services, 509-279-4885. You could text or call. Thank you again for watching.